Now I'm gonna rotate my motor one complete turn and see if it goes back in time. It is in time. Once again. Okay, and I got the motor in time. I've rotated a few turns, and if you look, this one is facing top and this one's in time as well. So all I gotta do here right now is I'm gonna put these covers, and this one is pretty damaged. I had to cut it almost completely to pull it out, but I finally managed. It's gonna go, for now it's gonna go like this. Later I'll replace it. That's not the most critical at this moment. Okay, I don't need to over tighten anything. Now tightening this one. This one takes 20, yep. This one takes 20 Newton meters. And so to tighten that down, if I do it like this, I'll simply be rotating the engine. So I gotta find a way to keep it in place. I got this wrench that fits here, but once this fits here, I can't get the wrench to fit, so I'm gonna have to find a wrench that does the job for me to be able to tighten this part down. Give me a second. Okay, I've been trying to come up with a solution to tighten this down, and what I found was I had this wrench that is from I can remember it right now, the name, from that tool. And so this is the wrench that fits there, and this is my torque wrench set to 20, which is as much as this should take. Yes. And so I've been getting this larger, and right now what I can do is I can put it here in these two holes. It holds it in place, and I can put this one here, and let's see if I can tighten this down to 20. There we go, 20. Yeah, so we got it at 20. It's tightened down. It worked. Built a tool. So now now that I got that set, I'm gonna check the point. Gonna check the timing. Holy crap. It gets tough. I'm gonna check the timing once again. Check the timing. It's right in time. Let me rotate the motor. yes, it is perfectly in time. Don't need to worry about that anymore. So I'm gonna cover it hopefully for good on this side. I'm gonna cover it. I don't need to tighten it too much because I've seen that it gets tight only by itself. Looks like mixed vacuum or so, I don't know. It tightens down just by itself. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna put the cover. And I got you the cover for that. And this has like a seal around. When I opened it, it was covered. When I opened it, it was covered in glue. I'm not sure if I should put some glue as well, or just leave it like this, but I think I'll just leave it like this as it does, because as it has the rubber seal. Okay, I changed my mind. I keep on changing my mind. I've applied just a little bit of glue all around, and these gloves are pretty much fucked, but doesn't matter. I've applied a little bit of glue all around, and now what I'm gonna do that I also was forgetting is I am gonna I'm gonna lubricate this, all these parts here, side head, chain, everything. Gonna lubricate everything. Clean this, now put it in place. I just put the 2 bolts. Tighten them down. Once again, we're gonna do this only by feel because these would take 10. But I don't have a wrench that makes 10, but by feel I know it's close to that. It's gonna be good. And right now we got this side of the engine pretty much finished. All we gotta do now is the clutch side, which is the one we must wait for the parts to arrive, because as you know, I broke it while trying. I broke it while trying to put the clutch, so now we're gonna let it set aside like this for a while until the parts come. I'm gonna cover these holes, we don't want any sludge going inside. I can put here my spark plug just to avoid stuff from going in. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. That's pretty much it for now.